Hello everyone, so welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first MTET channel. So my dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about student portfolio. So what is a student portfolio? Let's see. A student portfolio is a purposeful collection of a student's work that showcase their efforts, progress and achievement over time. It often includes a variety of work samples such as projects, essays, artworks and tests. So, a student portfolio is a very easy one, very simple one, which you can make if you are interested in students. If you love your students, then you can make the student portfolio. When I was teaching in schools, I love to make student portfolios. I used to make student portfolio of my students where we can collect the passport size photos, where you can write their name, address, roll number, class, section, mobile number, then in subject in which they are interested or their hobbies, anything you like you can write there. Or you can write their achievement, like what are the projects they have done. You can also include the essays they have written, the artwork they have done, you can include in their portfolio. And you can also write the performances they have given for their different class work, class test or even exams, right? Always remember that when we say student portfolio, it is a collection of students work. It is students work, right? All the students work you are compiling in one place, that is called a student's portfolio. Now, why do we make student portfolio? To document evidence of learning and skill acquisition. So we are making the student portfolio in order to record their evidences of learning and skill acquisition. What are the skill they have acquired? Computer, music, art, right? Or what are the learning acquirement, the learnings they have, what are the different type of learnings they have, learned or they have acquired. So these things are also written down in student portfolio. Now, it provides a comprehensive view of student strength and areas for development. Yes, a student portfolio will provide the areas in which the student is excellent. You will know all the strength that yes, this particular student is very good at sports, very good at mathematics, very good at discipline. So these things you will know, and at the same time you will also come to know the areas in which the student is lagging behind. For example, you will see that the student have got language problem, then the student have got social problem, or the student have got emotional problem, health problems, right? So all these domains of a student's life you will come to know when you are designing a student portfolio, right? To enable student to take ownership of their learning journey. And another purpose of student portfolio is to make the student understand that they own their life and it is their journey which they have to complete by themselves by giving their best in every performance they are taking part in, right? Key features: diverse content, include multiple type of artifacts, written work, multimedia, etc. So in a portfolio, a portfolio is very diverse, which means it includes a lot of things. For example, written work like essays or artworks or multimedia photos, pictures. So anything which the students have done in the school in the form of group activities or in the form of experiments, projects. So those things are included in here. Now, goal oriented aligns with specific learning objectives. So when we are designing our student portfolio, then we should also make sure that it aligns with the learning objective. What are the objectives we want to achieve when the student has undergone this, when the student have undergone that particular learning process. Interactive often incorporates student reflections and teacher feedback. So in a student portfolio, often we incorporate the reflection of the student, how the student want to improve in the later stage, or what are the problems that the student has faced, and the teacher, they give feedback to the learners according to their student portfolio, right? Example can be a portfolio containing art pieces showing progression in techniques and creativity. We know that when the students are good at art or they are creative, then of course they will, show progress or advancement in these domains of creativity. A collection of essay demonstrating improved writing skills and critical analysis. And you will also see that some of the students are very good at writing essays. So, the way they have used the language, the handwriting they have, the paragraph, the grammar, the punctuation. So, everything you will observe, and that also you can keep as a record of the learner in student portfolio, right? So, this is all in this video. So, thank you everyone for watching.